Welcome to our 2024 Open House Christmas sale. We have a few new products for this year, and the first one I want to present is our glass incense holder. This is beautiful in the home. It is also really clean and helps you to not have ashes everywhere, even if on the website you can see that we have more than just the glass one, but this one is really like a little piece of art. This year, if we continue with the scent, we have a new nebulizer, diffuser, that comes in a case. It comes in brown and also in silver. It's a beautiful rechargeable water essential oil diffuser. This year we are bringing back all our chimes from France. There is 5 different ones. They are created as a music instrument for healing. They are not automatically made to go outside, and inside you are creating a beautiful sound of healing. The best is to come and look at them and see the one that is attracting with the sound. We have also our Dandara ornament. We have a lot of new ones this year. I'm not going to show you them all, but to give you some ideas. So they are blown glass from Egypt. Beautiful glass ornament. There is lots of different types, different color, and soon they will be all on the tree here at Aromance. We have new Sama candles from Maroma, India. Really beautiful, the same scent that we have with the incenses. Beautiful, really nice for Christmas. We have, of course, our gift sets. So the first one, my favorite one, it's this one, where inside you have incenses, you have candles, you have leaves that are also incenses, and there is perfume for the home. And there is different type of incense inside. We have also another gift set, beautiful. And inside you have perfume, soap, candles. This goes on the water. Lots of little things. Beautiful set for Christmas. The last one, that is more for men, has also soaps, also perfumes, and different shampoo and soaps, liquid soaps. Also, I forgot to say that with Dandara we have also still our other candles holders that are also absolutely beautiful on the table for Christmas. Me personally, I have them on my table all year round. We have also a new, just coming from India, our beautiful, you can use it as bracelets, but they are, like you can see, like on me. We have different colors and they are malas. We have also for the car this year a really beautiful wood diffuser where you put the essential oil on it. It's magnetic, and so you put it in your vent, and so it diffuses essential oil in your car. It's not metal, it's just perfect. It's really beautiful. The last one of this short video, it's this year we have 3 new perfumes. The perfumes, the bottles, it will be inside a beautiful bag. Inside you have a poem, and we have the bottles from the 1950s where you have a pump. So it's an atomizer. It's a bottle of usually 50 ml, and so it's an old atomizer that creates a mist, like a cloud around you, as you probably saw like a lot of French people using, and we walk into the mist. There will be 3 different perfumes. These are the testers. There will be one that is more flower and wood, one that is more citrusy, and one that is really pure wood. Really beautiful scent. The open house is, we have 3 open houses. Of course, the first one will be where there will be the most products. Most of our products will be on sale, so 15% off, where you have all the essential oils, you have all the incenses, you have all the Maroma products for face, perfume, crystals. There is all the nebulizer and diffuser. We have up to 30 and even 50% on the products that, some of the products like diffuser and nebulizer. And the first open house is Sunday, November 17. The second open house is Saturday, the 23rd. And the last one will be Sunday, December 1st. Hope to see you at Yoga Public with Aromance at 280 4th Street.